looks like I might have done my last run in my Salomons. The sole of this one has gone through. A little hole at the back and slight one at the front just here. As you can see, I've done a few thousand miles in these. Laces are fine, and the actual shoes are fine. The soles are just literally worn out. They've kept the shape inside. I've had no problems with the levelness inside or any of the inside crushing, and even the insoles still looking fairly good condition. So would I buy them again? Yes. I am trialing a different shoe from them. I've bought them. I have no affiliation to Salomon. I just think they're brilliant. So yes, I'd buy them again. Yes, they're brilliant for wide fit. Give them a go. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Enjoy your shoes.